This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Debbie Byrd. Welcome home to this adorable twin home with 4 bedrooms, large family room with wood-burning fireplace, dining room, eat-in kitchen and large utility room. Nice fenced-in backyard, great for entertaining family and friends. Roof was just replaced and the interior has just been freshly painted. Conveniently located near shopping, restaurants, Regent University, Naval Base and Interstate 64 and 264. Don't miss taking a look at this property, you will want to call it home. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Byrd at 757-547-1234.